Sparks fly everywhere inside from our double barrel 12 gauge.